Hey guys, today I wanted to show you this really cute little picture frame that I pieced together using a piece of self-adhesive chalkboard paper. This is from the Land That I Love, the America Transfer, and I just took that long sentiment and I split it right in half. Now I wanted to show you with a paper that you find, whether it's vinyl or chalkboard paper or whatever it is, you really want to make sure that your transfer is stuck all the way down to avoid bleeding. You can see the difference in the top and the bottom. On the bottom, I really pressed that transfer down into the paper. Now what I really wanted to show you on today's video is these adorable little star simple shapes. Now this is a pack of simple shapes that actually match this transfer that I am using, and I just wanted to show you guys a really quick and easy way to paste on your simple shapes. And the way that I do it is I lay my transfer adhesive side up, and then I put the simple shapes right on top of them. I press them down slightly, and then I flip it over and get to work chalking. It's super simple. Once you're all done chalking, and I do all of them all at once, especially if they're smaller, you can just go ahead and peel it right off. Make sure to wash that transfer, and there you guys have it. Some cute little dimensional add-ons.